What is up, it's JTArmy and come at you with a new video. Today I received the package in the mail that I've been waiting for, I don't know, about 5 days. So I thought I'd open it for you guys, so without further ado, let's get started. Oh. As you can see, it is the brand new Nike Strike ball. So I'm gonna go ahead and inflate this and I'll be right back. And here it is. The brand new Nike Strike ball, 2015-2016. It looks pretty badass. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.